Make a great choice today with the 2015 Regal. Buick Regal is based on the European Opel Insignia. The Regal is as much a sports sedan as it is a family sedan and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, electronic stability control, fog lights, heated front driver and passenger seats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.